चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Good evening. We continue with our non-stop coverage of elections, and we're going to go across to the breaking news that's coming in. NDA parliamentary meeting is going to be held on the 7th of June. They're going to meet in the capital, and the NDA parliamentary party meet on the 7th. We're also going to get more details. And as I'm going to try and tell you more details about this, we're also being told the Indie bloc continues the meetings that it continued to have today. The big questions that have to be asked by both sides. What really happened in Uttar Pradesh? What happened in Bengal? And can the NDA now expand? That could be... Let me go across to Rakshita, who's joining us from outside the BJP headquarters in the capital. Rakshita, what's happening there? We're hearing there's going to be an NDA parliamentary meet on the 7th of June.
Visuals coming in from the BJP headquarters. It's of course a time of celebration. As you can see, the dhol and nagaras are there. It's a band from Nasik, in fact. Nasik dhol party is here, and you can see the amount of the josh in the karyakartas, in the supporters are here. And everyone, the young and the old, everybody is dancing here. The victory speech has begun at 7 p.m. In 2 hours from now, you will see the Prime Minister and women are also dancing. कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। हम भारी बहुमत के साथ जीते हैं और दोबारा से मोदी जी हमारे यहाँ सत्ता में आए हैं और भी प्राउड ऑफ मोदी जी, प्राउड ऑफ।
You can see, one of the biggest voters of the Modi Sarkar were women, youth and women. And now you can see the sea of Ketri.
All right, as Rakshita is speaking, viewers, at the BJP headquarters, we can see a lot of celebration. The Prime Minister is supposed to be addressing from there, from the BJP headquarters in the national capital. We're also being told that as the parliamentary meeting is going to be there, possibly at around 7 in the evening, we're also going to see the Prime Minister at the BJP headquarters. Now, even as all these things are being said at the BJP headquarters, there's celebration in the air, there's dancing. The BJP is already preparing to celebrate at the headquarters, and a possible look from them talking about a vote share, the Prime Minister to reach the BJP headquarters. This is also on the back heels of Nada having met Rajnath and Amit Shah. As I'm going to go across to Rakshita once again, Niranjan, my colleague, is going to join us from the other side of the studio. Rakshita, tell us about the field. We're also going to get a look. Yes, Rakshita, go ahead.
It's a festive mood at DDU Marg right now in the national capital right now. You can see, and we are.
Viewers, we've all covered elections. There's a jammer at the BJP headquarters. I'm going to go across to Niranjan. Niranjan, even Shinde is going to be attending that NDA parliamentary meeting. The BJP is preparing, as it is, to celebrate at the headquarters.